Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the Tommie Copper Pro Grade Adjustable Support Back Brace and Posture Corrector, a versatile and essential tool for anyone seeking lumbar support and posture improvement. Designed for all-day use, whether you're at the job site, gardening, weightlifting, or simply tackling tasks around the house, this brace offers unparalleled comfort and support. The Ultra-Flex stability straps ensure a fully customized fit, providing the right support for any activity. With its innovative design featuring 9 zoning panels, you get serious support without sacrificing mobility, allowing you to move freely and comfortably. The patented Copper Znergy fabric technology offers increased odor control, ensuring freshness throughout the day. Plus, the wicking and breathable fabric keeps you dry and comfortable, no matter how intense your day gets. Experience the perfect blend of support, comfort, and durability with the Tommie Copper Back Brace and Posture Corrector. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.